41 Surprising Uses for Apple Cider Vinegar. Did you know that apple cider vinegar is much more than just a salad dressing? This golden liquid has countless properties that can transform your home and personal care routine in ways you never imagined. Today, I offer you 41 ingenious ways to use it to benefit from all its virtues. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to keep getting tips like these. Here we go. 1. Multi-purpose kitchen cleaner. Apple cider vinegar is a natural disinfectant and powerful degreaser. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Use it to clean countertops, sinks, and appliances, eliminating germs and grease without chemicals. Its acidity leaves surfaces sparkling and bacteria-free, ideal for a healthy environment. It's an eco-friendly alternative to conventional cleaning products. 2. Natural conditioner. Apple cider vinegar is excellent for shiny, soft hair. After shampooing, dilute 2 tablespoons of vinegar in a cup of water and use it as a final rinse. Massage in and rinse with cool water. It balances the scalp's pH, closes cuticles, and removes residue, leaving hair manageable and shiny. 3. Ecological herbicide for the garden. Eliminate weeds naturally, without chemicals. Spray pure apple cider vinegar directly onto weeds on a sunny day. The acidity will dry them out quickly. Be careful not to spray on unwanted plants. It's a safe and biodegradable solution for a garden free of invasive plants. 4. Facial toner for oily skin. Apple cider vinegar is a natural ally for oily or acne-prone skin. Its astringent and antibacterial properties cleanse pores and reduce sebum. Dilute 1 part vinegar in 3 parts water and apply with a cotton pad to a clean face, avoiding the eye area. Use it at night for matte, balanced skin. 5. Natural foot deodorant. If you suffer from foot odor, apple cider vinegar is the solution. Its antimicrobial properties fight odor-causing bacteria. Prepare a foot bath with 1 part vinegar and 2 parts warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat to neutralize odor, soften skin, and prevent infection, leaving your feet feeling fresh and revitalized. 6. Glass and mirror cleaner. Get spotless, streak-free windows and mirrors. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water in a spray bottle. Spray and wipe with a microfiber cloth or newspaper. Its acidity dissolves dirt and water spots, leaving the glass clear and shiny. 7. Insect repellent for plants. Protect your plants from pests like aphids and ants. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and a few drops of liquid soap. Spray on the leaves, especially the affected areas. Repeat every 2 or 3 days or after rain to repel invaders without harmful chemicals. 8. Relief from mosquito bites. In case of mosquito bites, apply pure apple cider vinegar with a cotton ball. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties reduce swelling, itching, and redness. It's an effective home remedy for soothing irritation and speeding up skin healing. 9. Cutting board disinfectant. Disinfect wooden or plastic cutting boards. After washing, spray the surface with pure apple cider vinegar and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. This will eliminate bacteria and neutralize odors, ensuring your kitchen is hygienic. 10. Plant growth stimulant. In small doses, apple cider vinegar stimulates the growth of plants that prefer acidic soil. Dilute 1 tablespoon of vinegar in 1 liter of water and water once a month. It helps acidify the soil and release nutrients, promoting vigorous growth and abundant flowering. 11. Treatment of body acne. Apple cider vinegar is effective for body acne. Dilute 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water and apply with a cotton ball to the affected areas after showering. Regular use reduces acne breakouts, soothes inflammation, and improves skin texture. 12. Drain and pipe cleaner. Prevent clogs and unpleasant odors. Pour in half a cup of baking soda, followed by a cup of apple cider vinegar. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse with hot water. This mixture dissolves grease and residue, keeping your drains clean without harsh chemicals. 13. Floor polish. Restore your hardwood floor's natural shine. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar in a bucket of warm water. Dampen a mop, wring it out well, and wipe it over the floor. The vinegar cleans and disinfects, leaving a shiny, streak-free finish. Be careful not to saturate the wood. 14. Relief from minor sunburn. For mild sunburns, apple cider vinegar soothes irritation. Dilute 1 part vinegar to 3 parts cold water and apply to the affected skin with a cloth. Repeat several times a day to relieve discomfort and speed healing. 15. Fruit and vegetable cleaner. Remove pesticides and dirt from fruits and vegetables. Fill a container with water and add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Soak your fruits and vegetables in it for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This disinfects and removes residue, ensuring cleaner, healthier food. 16. Treatment of dandruff. For dandruff, apple cider vinegar balances the scalp's pH and fights fungus. After shampooing, dilute a 1/4 cup of vinegar in a 1/4 cup of water and apply directly. Massage in and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Use once or twice a week. 17. Refrigerator deodorizer. Neutralize unpleasant refrigerator odors. Place a small glass of apple cider vinegar on a shelf. Change it every 2 to 3 weeks. This simple trick eliminates lingering odors and maintains a fresh, clean environment without artificial air fresheners. 18. Relief from indigestion and reflux. Apple cider vinegar can relieve indigestion and acid reflux. Mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it before meals. Consult a doctor if symptoms persist. For mild cases, it can be an effective natural remedy. 19. Microwave cleaner. Remove grease and food residue from your microwave. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water in a microwave-safe container. Heat for 3 to 5 minutes until steam fogs up the glass. Let it sit and wipe with a damp cloth. The grime will come off effortlessly. 20. Treatment of warts. For warts, soak a cotton ball in pure apple cider vinegar and apply it directly. Secure it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat daily until the wart dries and falls off. This may take several weeks. Consult a doctor if it does not disappear. 21. Natural fabric softener. Use apple cider vinegar as a natural fabric softener. Pour half a cup into the fabric softener compartment of your washing machine. It softens fabrics, removes detergent residue, and reduces static electricity. The odor will disappear once dry. Your clothes will be soft, fresh, and free of irritants. 22. Relief from sore throats. Apple cider vinegar is effective against sore throats. Mix a tablespoon into a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties reduce irritation and speed healing. 23. Coffee and tea maker cleaner. Remove limescale and coffee/tea residue. Fill the reservoir with a mixture of equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Run 1 cycle, then 2 cycles with water only. Your appliances will run better and your drinks will taste cleaner. 24. Gentle body scrub. Get soft skin with a natural exfoliant. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of sugar or sea salt and a few drops of essential oil. Massage onto wet skin in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly to reveal radiant, silky smooth skin. 25. Ant repellent. In case of an ant infestation, apple cider vinegar is an effective repellent. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray directly on the ants and in the entry areas. Repeat regularly to keep them away without toxic chemicals. 26. Makeup brush cleaner. Keep your makeup brushes clean. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts warm water. Dip the bristles into the mixture, stir gently, and rinse. Let them air dry. Your brushes will be spotless and ready for perfect, healthy-looking makeup. 27. Fertilizer for indoor plants. For houseplants that prefer acidic soil, dilute 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 liter of water and water once a month. This provides nutrients and maintains a healthy pH, promoting healthy growth and greener leaves. 28. Relief of minor burns. For minor burns, apple cider vinegar soothes pain and prevents infection. Dilute 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water and apply with a clean cloth. For severe burns, consult a doctor. 29. Toilet cleaner. Disinfect and deodorize your toilet. Pour a cup of apple cider vinegar directly into the toilet and let it sit for at least an hour. Scrub and flush. The vinegar will remove limescale stains, watermarks, and bacteria, leaving your toilet spotless and fresh. 30. Treatment of athlete's foot. For athlete's foot, prepare a foot bath with 1 part apple cider vinegar and 1 part warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, twice a day. Dry thoroughly. This antifungal treatment fights the fungus and relieves symptoms. 31. Odor eliminator in the trash can. Avoid unpleasant odors in your trash can. Spray the inside with pure apple cider vinegar after emptying it. You can also place a piece of bread soaked in vinegar at the bottom. This will keep your kitchen smelling fresh and pleasant without artificial air fresheners. 32. Silver jewelry cleaner. Restore the shine to your silver jewelry. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Let the jewelry soak for 2 to 3 hours. Rub gently with a cloth and rinse. Your jewelry will regain its original shine. 33. Relief from irritated skin after shaving. For irritated skin after shaving, dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water and apply with a cotton ball. This reduces irritation, prevents ingrown hairs, and leaves skin soft. It's a natural aftershave that cares for your skin. 34. Carpet stain remover. For carpet stains, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to form a paste. Apply to the stain and let it dry. Vacuum up the residue. For fresh stains, spray with diluted vinegar and rub with a cloth. 35. Disinfectant for children's toys. Keep your children's toys clean and safe. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray and wipe with a cloth. For submersible toys, soak them and rinse thoroughly. This is an eco-friendly way to protect your children's health. 36. Relief from bee or wasp stings. In case of a bee or wasp sting, apply a cotton ball soaked in pure apple cider vinegar. It neutralizes the venom and reduces pain or swelling. Its acidic properties neutralize the alkaline venom. If you are allergic, consult a doctor. 37. Dishwasher cleaner. Remove limescale, grease, and unpleasant odors from your dishwasher. Pour a cup of apple cider vinegar into a container on the top rack. Run a cycle without any dishes. This will clean the interior, leave a fresh scent, and improve performance. 38. Treatment of brittle nails. For weak and brittle nails, apple cider vinegar strengthens them. Mix equal parts vinegar and water. Soak your nails in it for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Repeat regularly to strengthen and make your nails stronger and healthier. 39. Pet odor neutralizer. Eliminate pet odors. Spray a diluted apple cider vinegar solution on your pet's beds or other surfaces. The vinegar smell will disappear as it dries, leaving a fresh environment. 40. Blind cleaner. Clean your blinds easily. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Put on a damp cotton glove and wipe each slat, cleaning both sides. The vinegar will dissolve dirt and dust, leaving your blinds spotless and effortless. 41. Car odor eliminator. For lingering odors in your car, spray a diluted apple cider vinegar solution on the floor mats, upholstery, and under the seats. Let it dry. The vinegar will absorb unpleasant odors and leave the cabin feeling fresh. It's a natural alternative to chemical air fresheners. Let us know in the comments which use for apple cider vinegar surprised you the most, or if you know of any other interesting uses. Thanks, and see you in the next video.